If you're running a small business or even a home network, you'll need a network switch. It's not going to be the most exciting gadget you'll ever buy, but without it, you'll be rather stuck. A switch brings together your computers and internet connection, but also the likes of storage devices, security appliances, IP-based surveillance cameras, games consoles, and a growing small business trend, IP phone networks. In an ideal world, this switch will work flawlessly in the background, letting your computers and other network devices communicate with each other. You don't want to spend time changing settings and fixing problems. Just plug in the devices, turn it on, and it should just work straight out of the box. You don't even have to spend a lot of money to buy a good switch either. Under £100 should do it for a basic small office setup. We tested a range of inexpensive network switches, and the first thing we looked at was speed. We programmed a set of computers to send large amounts of data through each switch all at once. We then timed how long this operation took to run. While all of the switches performed equally well at shifting raw data, there were some differences. Interestingly, the Cisco switch has a neat feature not found on the others. It automatically prioritises phone calls made over the network, a bonus for businesses using the switch for IP phones. No matter how busy the network becomes, the sound quality of important phone calls won't drop off. While we were running the speed test mentioned earlier, we also made a phone call through each switch while it was busy handling gigabytes of data. Was there a negative impact on the phone call's quality? Actually, there was. While the Cisco switch prioritised the telephone call, the others didn't, and the quality was not as high as that of the Cisco device. This is the first time that we've seen a Cisco switch at this low price aimed at small businesses. The SF-100-24 costs around £80, and it's clearly capable of competing with the established brands in this market, such as D-Link and Netgear.